In this tutorial I will show you how to insert cells, rows and columns into your worksheet and also how you can remove them. The easy way to insert a cell is by selecting the cell, move to Home and then to the Insert tab, where you have the option to insert cells, sheet rows, sheet columns, or even insert a sheet. In this case I will show you how to insert cells, where you can see that you get 4 options to insert. The default way is in this case to shift the cells down. If I would click OK, you can see that a cell is inserted and the rest of the cells are moved down. I will again go to the Insert, Cells. If I would choose Insert Cells Right, you can see that cells are moved to the right and then the new cell is inserted. Next example, you can also choose to insert an entire row, and the same applies for an entire column. I will show you how to insert a row now. And you can see that a whole row is inserted. You can also choose to insert rows in a different manner by selecting a row or even a cell, doesn't really matter. Move to Insert and Insert Sheet Rows, where you can see that a whole new row is inserted. And you can also choose to insert columns, where you can see that a column is inserted in this case. If you select multiple cells, you can do that by holding the left mouse button while selecting the cells. You release the left mouse button. If you then go to Insert and choose, for example, the Insert Columns, it automatically inserts 2 columns because I had selected 2 columns initially. You can also choose to insert columns, rows and cells by selecting a cell and right clicking and select Insert. And in this case, since I have selected the cell, I will get the insert options for a cell. But if I select a row and then right click and press Insert, it will automatically insert a row. If I select a column, right click and Insert, it will automatically insert a column. You can also remove cells by, for example, selecting the cell, or in this case 2 cells. Go to the Delete options, delete cells. Again, you will get the 4 options that you also got when inserting cells. In this case, I want to move the cells to the left, so I'll choose Shift Cells to Left, and automatically the cells are being moved again. And the cells that I selected were removed. Same applies to rows. Go to delete cell rows. You can also choose to delete multiple rows. In this case the data will be removed. And the same applies to columns. You can delete. Another option you have available is to delete an entire sheet, which I will not do in this case, but if you would delete it, you will first get an error message or a warning that you are about to permanently delete data. And if you want that, you can press Delete or you can press Cancel to make sure that the deletion is not executed. In this case, I've shown you some examples of how to insert cells, rows and columns, and also how to remove them again.